It is an honor for me to participate and delivering a short closing remark at this very important event on Women in Leadership and Diplomacy Forum, a truly important agenda in our today's world, in the spheres of social politics, economics, and cultural development. Women's roles are fundamentally indispensable in the promotion of development of a better world for all, with foundations laid on social justice, equitable participation, and mutual respect, based on norms and principles underscored in Universal Declaration of Human Rights. United Nations recognize the structural challenges in various societies that limits women's participation in the role of leadership and development, as well as in the spheres of diplomacy and others. It is time, real time, to review the structures and systems that hampers the process of ensuring women's participation in politics, in decision-making, in economics, in businesses, art and culture, and in any other required conditions for a just, prosperous, and fraternal society, upholding all values to advance humanity to its highest level of integral and holistic transformation. Traditional patriarchal regimes have generated, to some extent, some degree of cumbersome style of life that must be reviewed and adjusted to the dynamics of our contemporary world and realism of existence of human beings. Therefore, particular emphasis has been focused on sustainable development goals that promote women's rights and participation in development. Women are, from the very nature or by its genesis, have played pivotal role in the formation of families, institutions, and societies. They are the role model, the bearer and administrator for all aspects in life. And they are the unquestionable elements of peace and prosperity. And women, indeed, are the banks for the deposits of new seeds of societies. Excellencies, we are living in an era of accelerated development and innovation, characterized by globalization and digitalization. These realities challenge everyone, every day, in every way of life, to duly exercise their rights, to fulfill their potentials for the development to achieve common goals, peace, development, security, and well-being for whole mankind. The role of women in leadership is very important to promote equilibrium in the realm politics. They can help changing directions, providing substantial inputs that can reflect the needs of the most vulnerable and disadvantaged groups in order to determine better formulation of policies and strategies to better assist all groups and classes at the same level of recognition and respect. Many states and nations are now promoting equality and women empowerment and participation to engage much deeper into all spheres of life. I'm a little bit doubt. I have to say personally, I'm not very much in favor of the war empowerment. Women are the real empowering element in the societies. Nowadays, many women are recognized by merits, professionalism, and integrity, and are trusted for high-level political posts and decision makers. Over the past years, Timor-Leste has made significant strides in promoting women's leadership. The adoption of the second generation National Action Plan on Women, Peace and Security, 2024-2028, exemplifies our commitment to advancing gender equality, particularly in decision-making processes, diplomacy, and peace building. Timor-Leste recognizes the essential demand, and for the first time in its history, elected a woman to head the second most important institution in the country, the National Parliament, which is now headed by Her Excellency Madame Fernanda Lai. Few more Timorese women are occupying respected posts at executive as well as at judicial area and various other components, including civil society organizations and specific industries. Our Vice Minister for Asian Affairs, Ms. Milena Rangel, and few appointed women ambassadors, whom, with their commitment and determination, have put Timor-Leste at a respected level in Timor-Leste's diplomacy today. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation of Timor-Leste attaches high importance and relevance to this situation and supports all processes towards reinforcing and elevating women's participation in decision-making processes to bring about changes required for a more active, dynamic, effective, and efficient transformation in all its administrative and operational structures. To conclude, let's hand in hand support in this process of change, a process that opens the door for all, the door of the opportunities for men and women to equally participate and develop our world and our planet. Women are a crucial key to success. The world will be more beautiful and peaceful if it is led mostly by women. Women, they were born to care, to love, and to administer. Only by having more women in leadership, our planet will be a home for peace, solidarity, and progress. Thank you. I would like to thank you to UN Women, Secretary of State for Equality, UK government, and our national government for all partners for supporting this successful workshop. And I apologize for my team because they prepared a speech, but I did something else. Thank you.